because we are Peppermint I.T and we love to drink tea, we have prepared you some tea. What kind of tea do you like?
I like English tea.
English breakfast tea?
English breakfast tea.
Excellent. Very good. What I also like to find out about people is a little bit about their technology, because I'm a bit nosy in that regard. So I like to know, do you use a Samsung or an iPhone?
iPhone.
A Mac or a PC?
Mac.
Social media, what do you prefer? LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook? What's your flavour?
How many can I choose?
You can choose as many as you like.
I would say Instagram for me. Instagram,
Yeah.
LinkedIn. LinkedIn is competing with Instagram for me at the top place right now. But LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, and then Snapchat, TikTok.
Snapchat?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't include that in my list.
Yeah, he didn't, but it's one of them. Oh, and then there's X as well. There's quite a few.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, I would say LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and then Snapchat, TikTok, and
Right.
X actually.
Okay. And applications, have you checked on your iPhone what your most used application is?
That's a good question. On my phone or my PC?
On your phone. You know, on your phone when it says you've been using 7 hours a day of time on your phone, and then it tells you what your most used application is. Have you done that?
I haven't checked on what the most used is, but I would presume it'd be YouTube.
Yeah. Okay. Very good. And on your computer, what would you spend most of your time doing? What are your top 3 apps on your computer?
Top 3 apps would be iMovie,
Yeah.
Google Chrome.
Yeah.
Top 3. I only use iMovie and Google Chrome.
Yeah. Right.
And CapCut.
Yeah.
And,
What email do you use?
I use Outlook, but I access it on Gmail. So I've connected my email to Gmail. So I'm on Google Chrome and I'm on my emails.
Yeah, right. Interesting.
By the way, any advice on that? Is that okay? Like on the sex line?
Totally up to you.
That's fine. Okay, cool.
If you're looking for some time management strategies, I can help you with those. But generally, everyone's different. It depends on what you're comfortable with. Great. Well, that's all very interesting information for me. So I love to know about people and what they do on a daily basis with their devices.